Hey everyone, for a few quiet moments, just watch. Watch the ocean, not the surface, but what lies beneath it. A world where colors shift, where shapes change, where nothing is ever exactly what it seems. Because down here, intelligence doesn't always look like what you expect. Sometimes, it hides in plain sight. This is the story of the octopus, the genius of the ocean. In the vast oceans of the world, from shallow coral reefs to deep, dark waters, lives one of the most extraordinary creatures ever known, the octopus. At first glance, it looks strange. Soft body, 8 arms, no bones, moving in ways that feel almost unreal. But this unusual body is what makes the octopus one of the most adaptable animals in the ocean. It has no skeleton, which means it can squeeze through incredibly small spaces. Gaps, holes, cracks in rocks, places where no predator can follow. Its arms are powerful, covered with suction cups, each one capable of gripping, tasting, and sensing the environment. Yes, an octopus can taste with its arms. Every movement it makes is filled with awareness. But what truly sets the octopus apart is its intelligence. Among all invertebrates, the octopus is considered one of the smartest. It can solve problems. It can open jars. It can escape from enclosures. It learns. It remembers. It's adept. Its brain is highly developed. But what makes it even more fascinating is that much of its intelligence is distributed. Each arm can act independently, almost like it has multiple minds working together. This allows it to react quickly, to explore, to interact with the world in complex ways. But intelligence alone is not enough to survive. In the ocean, danger is everywhere. Fish, sharks, larger predators, all see the octopus as prey, so it relies on something incredible: camouflage. The octopus can change its color, its texture, even its shape. In a matter of seconds, it can blend perfectly with its surroundings. On a rock, it becomes the rock. On sand, it becomes sand. It can create patterns, match colors, disappear completely. This is not just hiding. This is transformation. When threatened, it has another trick: ink. The octopus releases a cloud of dark ink into the water. This confuses predators, creating a moment to escape. In that instant, it changes color, moves away, vanishes. It is a master of illusion. But the octopus is not just avoiding danger, it is also a hunter. It feeds on crabs, shellfish, small fish. It moves slowly, carefully, approaching its prey without being noticed. Then suddenly, its arms shoot forward, grabbing, holding tight, using its beak. It breaks through shells or injects venom to subdue its prey. Preciso, silent. But unlike many predators, the octopus does not rely on speed or strength alone. It uses intelligence. It studies its environment. It learns patterns. It remembers locations. This allows it to hunt more effectively over time. Most octopuses live alone. They do not form groups. They do not rely on others. Each one lives its own life, finding shelter in rocks, creating dens, sometimes decorating them with shells and objects, almost like building a home. But perhaps the most emotional part of an octopus's life is its final chapter. When it is time to reproduce, everything changes. A female octopus lays thousands of eggs. She attaches them to a safe surface inside her den, and then she waits. For weeks, sometimes months, she protects them. She does not leave. She does not hunt. She uses all her energy to care for the eggs, cleaning them, protecting them, ensuring they survive. During this time, she becomes weaker. Her body slowly deteriorates. But she continues, because for her, this is the purpose. When the eggs finally hatch, tiny octopuses enter the world, and the mother has nothing left. She dies shortly after. This is the cycle of life for the octopus. Short, intense, and deeply focused on the next generation. Most octopuses live only 1 to 3 years, but in that time, they experience a world full of challenges, of intelligence, of survival. They are not just creatures of instinct. They are thinkers, problem solvers, escape artists. But like many ocean animals, they face growing threats. Pollution, habitat destruction, changes in ocean temperature. All of this affects their environment, and yet they continue to adapt, because adaptation is what they do best. So the next time you think about intelligence, don't just think about creatures that look like us. Think about something completely different. A soft-bodied animal with 8 arms, living in silence beneath the waves, solving problems, changing shape, escaping danger, hunting with precision. A true genius of the ocean, hidden, silent, extraordinary. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more powerful wildlife stories. And tell me, which animal should we explore next? I'll see you in the next story.